In the 1960s, psychologist Walter Mischel conducted the world-famous study known as the Marshmallow Test. The goal was to test the discipline and self-regulation of young children. They were presented with a marshmallow and told, "Hey, I'm leaving the room for a bit. If I come back and you've managed not to eat it, then you'll get two later on." And so they tested this, making video recordings along the way, and later analyzed how the children behaved. The result, two-thirds could not resist. They wanted it, they had that craving for something sweet, and just couldn't hold back. Only one-third managed to do it. But the really exciting part was the long-term study over years and decades. And it showed that people simply have a desire for what's called instant gratification, meaning an immediate reward. We value what we can get right now so much more than what we have to wait for. And we need to use that for upselling at the front office. But first, another example. If you ask people, give them two options. You can have $100 now or $110 in a month. Which one would you choose? Most people say, I'll take 100 right now. Rationally speaking, from a logical standpoint, that makes no sense at all. 100 versus 110 is 10% in just 1 month. Over a year, that would be 120% interest. No bank offers that. And yet, we weigh the immediate reward more heavily than the financial benefit we would gain later. What does this mean for us regarding upselling at the front office? We often have situations where guests arrive before the official check-in time. And then they just have such a strong desire for that instant gratification, to have the benefit immediately, to be able to relax right away or freshen up or take that video call from their room, rather than having to wait and not spend any more money. That self-regulation, the desire for the benefit, and the ability or lack thereof to wait, well, you just can't resist it anymore. And we simply have to make use of that when guests arrive before the regular check-in time or when the rooms aren't ready yet. Careful though, it shouldn't come across as a sleazy tactic. I think you can always tell a lot from the tone of voice, you know? If it sounds rattled off, like, I hope you had a good trip, yeah, or the rooms aren't ready yet, not until 3 p.m., but I could offer you, then it sounds, well, like you're just processing them. But if we acknowledge the guest and want to become an ally, want to help them, if we then say something like, I can tell you've had a long trip, and what you probably want most right now is to go straight to your room and just settle in. The rooms in the category you booked were well booked last night. It'll take a while. I can't guarantee it before 3 p.m. Let me take a look. I see in the system a junior suite is already available. It's been reported as vacant. You could go straight to the room. The difference to your category would normally be 100 euros, and I can give it to you right here and now for 50 euros more per night. Then you'll have a nicer stay, can enjoy a better view, and above all, you can go to your room now. Should we do it that way? Then you can relax right away. Everyone benefits. You've made a guest happy, they can enjoy their stay more, and can now find some peace. The house makes more revenue. So if we don't do that, it's a failure to provide assistance.